The other night I was reading a neuroscience paper about motivation and memory, and one idea really stayed with me. Your brain actually has two very different ways of learning. The first one kicks in when you're under pressure. You're thinking, I'll have to do this, or I can't mess this up. And in that moment, your brain switches into survival mode. Its only goal is to get you through the situation. That's why a week later you barely remember what you actually learned. But the second way is completely different. It starts with curiosity. And instead of asking, how do I get through this? Your brain starts asking, wait, that's interesting. How does this actually work? And that small shift changes everything. Curiosity activates dopamine, and dopamine doesn't just make learning feel more enjoyable. It helps your brain build stronger memories. You start seeing connections, you understand the bigger picture, and you remember things without even trying so hard. So here's something to try. The next time you're about to tackle something difficult, pause for a second and ask yourself, what I'm really curious here about? Not what if I fail, just what's interesting about this. The task stays exactly the same, but your brain approaches it in a completely different way.